Well, hello there. A very good afternoon, actually, it is. I woke up like an hour ago. I've been sleeping since early last night. So, no Facebook Live for me because I was asleep. And, well, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about my day. You know, I've been talking about momentum lately, and I guess this is a day that I feel like, wow, no appointments today. Well, I had to be at physical therapy, which I missed. Fortunately, he knows I sleep a lot, and with a lot I mean really a lot, because I think I've slept like 10 hours and then again for another 3.5, so which is a long time. So, you know, I'm really like in this mood, like, okay, let's clean up again. You know, there are papers all over the place, which still stem from that I had to get my bookkeeping done, which is a couple of weeks ago, actually. But ever since, you know, I've been like out and on the road, like every day for appointments. And also, I've been doing a lot with the recording lately, and some things went good and some things went not so good. There was a lot going on besides clients with equipment, which means that I'm going to try and fix the training from day 2 and 3 today. Which also means that I'm a little delayed, and I'm not sure what it means, but it might mean that I might prolong my challenge till like next Wednesday. Not sure, not making any promises, but I might be. Anyway, when I was at a photo camera shop last week, they told me something about, you know, when you run into something that's new, why don't you record it? So I've got those two things in here, and I was thinking, okay, before I buy the real ones, let's try the cheap knockoffs. So it's something called QSS. And now the funny thing is that in here it says left and right, and now I've been trying to figure out what's left and right, because I would assume it would be like on here. Don't think again, it's not. So I'm going to see what the picture says. Usually that would explain something if there was a picture, and there isn't. So let's try it, because I've got this one on the left, and that's the reason why I'm wanting to try this, because I got some complaints from people that the cord was too visible. Then again, I still uphold the one thing that Brendon Burchard told us, or his guest speakers, I don't know, but you need to suck at it first in order to become good and then become great. So this could be an option. Well, it points to the front, so that would make sense. And if I would use this one, I don't know what it would do. Well, I don't think this is the good one, so this is probably the right one. Well, they need to charge first, so that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to charge them, and then later on I'm going to try them. So you may have noticed that I've been doing some recordings at a warehouse here where you can get breakfast and actually have dinner too. They made it really nicely. It's for people who have their own business. And someone said to me yesterday, Charlotte, you know who you are. She's actually from Challenge to Change. So if you want to join her, let me know and I'll hook you up. And she said to me, how about Starbucks? And I've heard the same thing from Rosalina as well. Rosalina is the one who works with branding. She's from Enchantique. Very lovely lady, just like Charlotte is. And she basically said that, and I guess that's true, that the whole thing with Starbucks and me doing my recordings over there is actually part of my brand. Well, there are different places I can go to from Starbucks, so I'm going to the one who's going to be the quietest, because there I know I can just easily record all the stuff and not have to worry about too many sounds in the background. Besides, I'm going to test my microphone this time on too, so it's going to be a good one. You know, momentum is about grabbing the chance, and that also means that when you have the chance to experiment, that I think you should do it. You know, try things which are out of the box, and they may seem unfamiliar, but you know, when you succeed, it gives such a good feeling. And also merely the fact that you're trying to succeed and just, you know, going out on new adventures. Okay, is this going to work or isn't it? You know, that gives such a good vibe. So I'm challenging you too to see if you can raise momentum by doing something out of the box. So that's my assignment for you today. Get something to do, find some time, work on what matters the most, so what moves the needle in your business, which doesn't conflict with what you need to do in order to get ahead in life, and then post it. So don't forget, chicardacc.com/momentum challenge. Sign up, you can still get all the lessons out there, and I'll see you soon. Okay, laters. As in a little add-on for just now, they only fit in one position, so I can't switch them, so probably that solves what's left. And right, and I was correct, the one I thought was left was indeed on the left side. So I'm going to charge it. There's a little charging point over there. This is the cord. Fortunately, I've got a USB charger which is possible to like charge 8 devices at the same time. So that's cool. Okay, talk later. Bye.